Hi friends, today's my delicious recipe instant Pulihora mix. You can store this recipe for a month. Let's come to the recipe. Take a kadai, add 4 tablespoons of gram dal and add 4 tablespoons of urad dal. Toast well on low flame. Slowly roast them. I already cooked 250 grams of rice for this recipe. Once it's roasted, then transfer to a plate. Then add 3 tablespoons of white sesame. Don't skip any ingredient. There is no optional ingredients for this recipe. If you skip any ingredient, you will lose the taste. Once it's fried, then transfer to a same bowl, same plate. Now add 5 to 6 red chilli, mixed red chilli I am using here. If you are spicy red chilli and if you are Kashmir red chilli, if you have seeds, before 1 minute, fry them. Then transfer to same plate. Now add 1.5 tablespoon of coriander, half teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek, and 1.5 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of mustard. Fry until aromatic. Once you got the aromatic smell, then transfer to the same plate. Cool down the all ingredients completely. Now add 100 grams of tamarind, cut into pieces, then fry them. Without oil, we should fry all the ingredients. Once fried, leave it on the pan only. That heat also absorb the tamarind, then it will turn to crispy. Now transfer the ingredients, fried ingredients to a mixer jar, then grind into a fine powder. Before grinding, add 1 cup of dry coconut or 3 to 4 tablespoons of grated dry coconut. You can use any grated or pieces. Now add the tamarind to mixer jar and 4 teaspoons of salt and 4 tablespoons of jaggery powder. Then grind it. Now add to the powder. Now we add the 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 teaspoon of hing powder only I am using here. Then mix all the ingredients. Whenever you need pulihora, you can add this powder to directly in oil in 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add it to rice. The recipe will be ready within few seconds. Now add 50 to 70 ml of oil. You can use groundnut oil or sesame oil or any sunflower oil. Sesame oil and groundnut oil will give the very good taste to this recipe. And add 1 cup of groundnut and 3 tablespoons of gram dal and 3 tablespoons of urad dal. Fry them. Once fried, add 2 teaspoons of mustard. Once all the ingredients are fried, then add 3 tablespoons of white sesame or white teal. Now add 3 to 4 cut and put the red chilli, then stove off, then add washed and dried cleaned curry leaves, handful I used here. For the kadai heat, it will fry, no problem. Cool down completely this tempering. It's a change to crispy the curry leaves. If you have any doubt, please avoid the doubt. Then transfer to powder directly. Then mix, apply the tempering to powder. This powder is ready now, and a few minutes dry them under the fan or any cool place. Then you can store into a bottle. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil. Then add 4 to 5 tablespoons of Pulihora mix on heat oil. Then add directly rice. Mix and eat. You can use apadam or vada or masala vada, any you can put into side dish. For this recipe, or you can use crispy potato fry also for this side dish, for this one pulihora. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes and prasadam recipes. Most of the recipes I am using here for prasadam recipes and festival recipes only. Now serve this rice. It's a very tasty. Whenever you want, you can mix in oil, then you can add it to rice. Thank you for watching.